analysts and election observers who have protected Pakistan's democratic and electoral institutions. We did express concerns publicly. We also expressed those concerns privately and joined the EU, the UK, and other countries in doing so with some irregularities that we saw in the process. We've conveyed the need for the Pakistani government to respect the will of the election. We emphasize, you heard us you heard me from this podium certainly repeatedly, but also across the government, emphasize that we wanted to see the rule of law, respect for Constitution, free press, vibrant civil society, respected in the run-up to the election. We continue to believe that's the case. We condemn political and election-related violence and restrictions on internet and cell phone service. Those negatively impacted the electoral service. The